Who doesn't like a countdown? Sometimes countdowns give me the heebie-jeebies. This is the big winter sale coming soon. Here in South Africa, we are in the southern hemisphere, and I know everywhere I look, people will talk about summer sales, and everyone forget about us. We are not in summer. We're in winter at the moment. You can see, and I've got actually heaters on in the room. And that's why all the cats and dogs are here too, because it's so cold outside this room. This is a countdown element, and there are so many elements to build out your page. If you go to add elements and you scroll down to the content section, you will see here we have the countdown element. There are other great elements here that are free: icon box, embed, alert, counter, the progress, tabs, accordion. Some of my favorites though are pro. We will cover some of these pro features in the core evolved module. Here we already have a countdown element on the page and it's already styled. All we need to do is change the date. To interact with any element, select it, and then you have your options toolbar. Let's go to the left where the settings for that element always appear. Select it, you've got styles here, but let's not mess around with the styles because this is how it was designed. The only thing we want to do is change the date. The date is set to day, month, year. Very important to understand that, because if you go to certain countries like the US and many others, it's usually written as month, date, year. Here it is day, month, year in succession. Any date. Let's make it somewhere in June, which is just around the corner, and I'll delete. So let's say 11/delete, and then 6 is June. And we should already see, if I tab, 2023, need to change that as well. And it quickly changes. And then you can even determine what time of the day. It starts at 10 a.m. I probably want to put it at 12 a.m. at midnight so that it can happen as the day breaks in my time zone, which is set to +2. You have to go check here and put it on your time zone so that you don't get messed up. Good. And there you go. That's how you set up the counter. Very, very easy. You can play around with some of this. For example, do you want the seconds? I can select that, go to the settings of the countdown, go to advanced and deactivate the seconds. Design looks a little bit weird now. I do like the seconds here. When you only have days and it's not that many days, seconds are fine. And that's how you do the countdown element.